Will the launch of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF create a seismic shift in Bitcoin prices? The answer might surprise you. Just a few years ago, in 2017, BlackRock's CEO Larry Fink labeled Bitcoin as an index of money laundering. Fast forward to today and there's been a dramatic shift in the narrative. With the recent appearance of BlackRock's Bitcoin Spot ETF, known as IBTC, on the Depository Trust and AMP Clearing Corporation website, the financial world is abuzz. This move has sparked speculation and excitement, causing ripples that may have contributed to a surge in Bitcoin's price. What's more, this action by BlackRock, one of the world's largest asset management companies, signals a bullish sentiment towards Bitcoin. It's a significant nod towards the growing mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies. This move by BlackRock is not just a game-changer for Bitcoin, but a testament to the growing mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies. Before we delve into the specifics of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, let's understand what a Bitcoin ETF actually is. A Bitcoin ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a type of investment that keeps tabs on the price of Bitcoin. It is traded on traditional exchanges, much like stocks. But why would anyone choose to invest in a Bitcoin ETF instead of directly buying Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin ownership comes with its complexities. For starters, there's the issue of storage. Where do you securely store your Bitcoin? Then there's the risk of losing access to your Bitcoin if you forget your password. A Bitcoin ETF eliminates these worries. It allows investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without the need to directly own, store, or manage it. So a Bitcoin ETF, such as the one BlackRock is proposing, offers a more direct and secure way for investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. Now that we understand what a Bitcoin ETF is, let's explore BlackRock's specific offering, the IBTC. Unlike other Bitcoin ETFs, the IBTC aims to track the price of Bitcoin directly. But what sets it apart is that it's a spot ETF. This means that for every share of the IBTC, BlackRock must physically own and keep in reserve an equivalent amount of Bitcoin. In other words, it's not just tracking the price of Bitcoin, it's offering direct exposure to the cryptocurrency itself. Now let's quickly break down the concept of a spot ETF. A spot ETF must be backed by its underlying asset. So in the case of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, the institution must own the equivalent amount of Bitcoin to represent each share of the publicly traded ETF. In essence, the launch of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF could give investors direct exposure to Bitcoin, potentially having a significant impact on Bitcoin prices.